When it comes to cooling and conditioning the air in your home, you want the most energy efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective air conditioners so that you and your loved ones feel comfortable and can enjoy clean, quality air. Air conditioners with inverters technology are fast becoming the preferred option for homeowners today due to its energy efficient and quieter operation. But how do they work and how are they different from conventional non-inverter air conditioners? The key difference between the two air conditioner types lies in the compressor's ability to regulate the speed of its motor to adjust the room's temperature. Once a room is cool, inverter air conditioners lower the speed of the compressor motor to save energy and refrigerant required to cool the air. In comparison, non-inverter motors only run at full speed, then shuts off when the room temperature reaches the desired temperature. This repetitive on-off process creates more noise and consumes more energy. Let's look at some advantages of non-inverter ACs. Non-inverter ACs can be considerably less costly than their inverter counterparts, being anywhere from 20 to 50% less expensive because they have fewer features. If you don't plan to stay for an extended period in a location, like if you're renting an apartment for only a year, or if you're seeking a relatively lower entry cost, a non-inverter AC is certainly more accessible. They are also easy to maintain. ACs typically have both heating and cooling functions to suit the user's preference, and unlike an inverter AC which tends to have a lot of complicated and interwoven pieces, an inverter AC doesn't need to synchronize the heater and the manufacturer's cooler. Additionally, their individual components are relatively simple, easy to maintain, and cheaper should you need to repair or replace parts. They are also easier to install and transport, so if you need professional assistance, the service may also entail a lesser fee. Disadvantages of non-inverter ACs: they are noisy because they turn on and off periodically. They can cause quite a bit of noise every time they rumble to life. While it may not matter to most people, it could bother people sleeping or walking who are also sensitive to noise. They have shorter lifespans, having to constantly switch between on and off speeds up the wear and tear on the system, meaning non-inverter ACs don't last as long as inverter ACs. They have the potential to cause hefty electricity bills. It takes more energy to turn a machine on than it does to keep it on. Some advantages of inverter ACs: they are more energy efficient. As just mentioned, the compressor of inverter ACs can function at variable speed settings and that allow the AC to stay in a lower power mode without turning off completely. Staying on in a low power setting is still more energy efficient than frequently turning on and off. So inverter ACs make great choices for offices and other places that keep the AC on for 8 or more hours at a time. Even if you don't need to keep the AC on for that long, you can still enjoy the same energy efficiency. They can cool rooms more quickly. The ability to vary compressor speeds also allows inverter ACs to cool rooms more quickly, as it can adjust to fit the room's temperature requirements.